Lumix laser allows users to create and store personalized user programs with a maximum of 4 phases. Press the Create button on the home screen to begin. Next, select the frequency of pulsed wave. When the selection turns red, use the arrows on the right side of the screen to increase or decrease the selected parameter. When finished, press the frequency parameter so that it returns to blue before moving to the next parameter selection. Now, select the time parameter setting. When in red, or editing mode, use the arrows on the right to increase or decrease the time. Once the desired treatment time is displayed, press the parameter selection until it returns to blue. When all desired parameters have been adjusted, press the plus symbol at the bottom of the screen to store the current parameters. When the keyboard appears, type in a name for your new user program. Here, we have chosen the name Sports, and when finished, press Enter. The new program will display on screen. To access stored programs, we go back to the home screen, selecting Preset Protocols. Then within the Preset Protocols, select User Protocols, and you can see the newly created and stored Sports program. Stored programs are also searchable by name and number. From the home screen, select Find and type the name of the stored program you would like to locate. The search function is not case sensitive. Press Enter. To search by number, go to the home screen and select Find. Enter the number of the program and then select Enter. Creating a user protocol with multiple phases. From the home screen, select Create to begin. Select the Frequency PW button. When the selection changes to red, use the arrow keys at the right of the screen to increase or decrease the selected parameter. When finished, press the Frequency PW button to return it to blue. Select the time parameter setting. While in red, use the arrows to the right of the screen to increase or decrease the time for the first phase. Press the time parameter to return it to blue. Next, select the Phase button. When red, use the up arrow to add the second phase, and then press the Phase button to return it to blue. Select the Time button once again to regulate the amount of time for the second phase. When the desired time is displayed, press the Time button to return it to blue. Next, select the frequency parameter to regulate the pulse wave to the desired setting using the arrows to increase or decrease. Touch the frequency parameter to return it to blue when finished. To add a third phase, repeat the steps of selecting the phase parameter. When red, use the up arrow to add the third phase. Then touch the phase parameter to return it to blue. Next, select the time parameter. Once it turns red, use the up arrow to regulate the amount of time for the third phase. Press the time parameter to return to blue when the desired time displays. Next, select the frequency parameter to regulate the pulse wave to the desired setting once more, using the arrows to increase or decrease. Touch the frequency parameter to return it to blue when finished. The red visible source parameter is also adjustable. Select it. Once it turns red, use the arrow keys to increase or decrease. Once regulated to the desired level, press the parameter to return it to blue. Now that all settings have been regulated to the desired levels, your multi-phase program is ready to store. Press the plus symbol at the bottom, and when the keyboard appears, input the name for your new program. You can use a combination of letters and numbers. When finished, press Enter. Now back to the home screen. To access stored programs, touch Preset Protocols, then User Protocols, and you can see all of the user-created programs stored within. The multi-phase user program is displayed. Note, the program displays both the phase time and the total treatment time. Back on the home screen, select Find to search for stored programs. Take care not to accidentally press the X at the right of the stored program. Pressing the X will permanently delete the stored program. Pressing the question mark will play a video if a video is uploaded for a specific protocol.